Bern, a UNESCO Old City carved in golden sandstone. And you're stuck reading a placard while your guide walks off. Herded past the cathedral. Rushed by the Bärenpark. A group tour that treats one of Europe's best-preserved medieval cities like a checklist. Uvamai's Bern self-guided audio tour puts 13 of the city's richest stories directly in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox. Press play and explore at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Stand in Bundesplatz where 32 fountains represent Switzerland's cantons. Uncover the dark past of the prison tower and the mystery of the Child Eater fountain. Climb into Switzerland's tallest cathedral, cross the Nidegbrücke over the Aare Gorge, and watch the bears at Bärenpark. 13 stops. Every story finally told in full. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Bern, not just photograph it. $6. Bern's towers, bridges, and bears told in full. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.